Hey guys, Richard here. Yeah, it's mayhem around here. Yep, we got friends back visiting us again, and we're trying to get some work done, and we can't get anything done. Yep, you saw that in another video recently. Well, they really haven't left. We've been dealing with this every day now for a couple of weeks. Yeah. All right, so we got this trike in yesterday. This is a Cyber Velo trike. Don't know much about the company. Don't know a lot about the trike, but we're gonna try to get that unboxed today and check it out and maybe take it for its first ride and bring that to you. So that's one thing we got going on. We've got 2 or 3, 4 or 5 other on the way. So we got something from Hemiway that's on the way. We got something from Emojo. What else? Ingway. Possibly Aventon. We've never had an Aventon before on this channel because, well, we'll just let that lie. It's from a couple of years ago. But yeah, so we might be working with them too. So we got, I don't know, it seemed like there's something else too.
I think there was, I just can't remember what it is right now.
There was a scooter. There was a scooter from somebody that we rarely get scooters in on the channel. We normally turn them down and say no thanks. But this one looked kind of cool. So we said, okay, we'll try it. So yeah, anyway, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go down and see my buddy Ron because we got something to do down there. We're gonna try to get this fixed, put together, and then, oh, I thought they quietened down, not going to. Oh, Lumos. Have you seen the new Lumos helmets that are out there on Kickstarter? They're a full e-bike rated. They are, got the mesh network communication built into them so you can talk to each other. Kind of like these Cena helmets, but better. Yeah, well, we're getting a couple of those in soon. And we're going to be bringing that to you, so we're excited about that. Look, I have an office chair sitting here that broke, and I took the casters off, and now I got to take that to the dump. My air conditioner broke a couple of days. It didn't break, but my drain line that goes outside is clogged, and we're having a hard time getting it unclogged, so we got to work on that today because it keeps flooding the floor over here. Because, see? That whole pan right there fills up with the water, and then it drips out right here, and whoop, there it goes. And it just sits there and drip. That's because this main drain line that goes this way, that way, across the wall, into the wall, down, under the floor, and out the side of the house, it's clogged. Yeah. So anyway, and we've been having trouble with this air conditioner too. This is the one that keeps the garage cool. It doesn't cool so well anymore. We got a Freon leak, and that line keeps getting clogged, so we got to do something with that soon. Just a mess. Hey guys, I'm going to sell this right here. This is the Meet One Breeze Pro 2.0. As soon as I confirm that... Will you please stop? As soon as I confirm that this pumpkin orange is no longer the color of choice and that it's going to be the neon orange like the Tour 2.0, I'm going to sell this one and buy the Breeze Pro 2.0 in the correct color, because this was a mistake, because this is my everyday rider. I really like the bike, but I want it to be the appropriate color, so this will be up for sale soon. We're also selling the Tour 1.0. This is the early edition model, so that's going to be coming up for sale. No, we're not going to ship them anywhere, but yesterday I was sitting out here talking to my buddy Ron, and one of those stupid birds was walking past the front of my car, going down the sidewalk. They were utilizing the sidewalk as wildlife should do, right? I mean, shouldn't they be using the sidewalks? But he stopped in front of my truck, and he saw his reflection in the chrome, and he starts pecking the front of the truck. And I had to go shoo him off. But they don't shoot too well because they're they can be very aggressive. Yeah. But they don't scare too easy. And I went out there clapping my hands and tried to get him to shoo, and he just kind of stopped and looked at me and slowly sauntered off. Anyway, so those two things are for sale. And do we have anything else for sale? Might be selling, what is it? Might be selling the Summit. That's my everyday rider right now, the Summit. But if this Hemiway works out that we're getting, then that might become my everyday rider, and then I won't have a use for this thin tire, so we might be getting rid of the Summit. That's the Summit 2. And I think that's all that we're getting rid of for right now. Yeah, everything else we're gonna hold on to for a little bit. Guys, we gotta get busy. Emma's over here waiting for me to stop yakking, so we're gonna get busy, get some stuff done today. So you guys ride responsibly, ride safe. We'll see you in another video real soon. Guys, we just got the little Cyber Velo put together. Emma's taking it for a little test ride. She says the throttle was a little jumpy because, yeah, trying to get it out of the garage, it bounced a little bit. It was ready to go. There she goes. Hey, it's trash day. Look, trash cans, recycling cans all over the place. Come on, Emma. Whew, it's hot, hot, hot out here. Here we go. Here we go. There she goes. Check it out. Check it out. So it's got like 16-inch tires in the back and 20-inch tire in the front. So skinny tires. It's just a budget bike. Nothing fancy about it. Yeah. Not bad?
Not bad.
Not bad for the price?
Yeah.
Nice.
Pedals are a little like ghost pedaling.
Yeah, a little bit.
And there's no gears, so you can't really...
Oh, I didn't notice that. So there's no, it's a single speed.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Wait, no. It's a 3-speed. So how do you change the gears? How would you change the gears?
How would you change the gears?
Well, this is
Surely
new.
it's not.
This is a new one for me, but we have 1, 2, 3. Maybe you have to manually get out here and move the chain. Maybe it has something to do with... I have no idea. We'll have to figure this out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a 3-speed, but there's no way to change the gears. We'll figure it out. Yeah, we'll bring you all the details when we get ready to do the review. We have a basket, but we haven't put it on yet. We're not sure if we want to put it on, honestly. And it's got rear fenders that attaches to the basket, but we may just leave it like that. It's got a little basket that goes on the front. This little trike does need a fair amount of assembly, so be aware of that, but it is a budget trike. You have to expect that for budget trikes. It seems to have a fair amount of zip. It does have some zip.
Yeah.
It's got some zip. All right, well, that's it for this one. We will bring you more content about the Cyber Velo trike here when we get it done.